Thinking about ordering from jamesmorgantoronto.com because the prices look almost too good to ignore? Before you spend your money, there are a few important things you should know. James Morgan Toronto presents itself as a modern online fashion store offering stylish clothing, trendy designs, and large discounts that instantly catch attention. The site has the polished look many shoppers expect from boutique clothing brands, which can make it appear trustworthy at first glance. However, when reviewing stores like this, appearance alone should never be the deciding factor. A closer look shows that James Morgan Toronto has some mixed signals that buyers should consider carefully. One of the first things smart shoppers check is transparency. Reliable online brands usually provide clear company details, strong customer support information, and a visible brand history. If those elements feel limited or unclear, it can create hesitation. Another factor is reputation. Stores offering aggressive discounts on multiple products sometimes attract attention quickly, but buyers should always verify whether real customer experiences match the promises shown on the website. Product photos can look impressive, but that does not always guarantee the same quality arrives at your door. Shipping timelines, return policies, sizing accuracy, and communication after purchase are all areas where many online fashion stores succeed or fail. In the case of James-Morgantoronto.com, so in the case of James-Morgantoronto.com, there is not enough strong public trust data to call it fully proven, but there also may not be enough evidence to label it outright fake. That places it in a caution zone rather than a trusted zone. If you decide to shop here, using a secure payment method, reading policies carefully, and starting with a small test order would be the safest approach. Overall, James Morgan Toronto looks like one of those websites that could be legitimate for some buyers but still lacks the confidence signals that established fashion brands usually provide. So the final verdict is simple: not confirmed scam, not fully trusted either, and buyers should proceed carefully rather than impulsively.